So now we're going to have a look at the distance magnification, which uses the distance camera, which is plugged into the Surface through a USB port. The camera isn't charged up separately, it uses its charge from the Surface tablet. And in the setup, an introduction, I had the second screen, so I'm just going to show you the distance with just the one screen option here. So what we do is we have our camera connected and we go to our toolbar and press the kind of yellow telescope button, and then we have my laptop that's simulating an interactive whiteboard here, and we can use the buttons on top of the camera to zoom in and out, and we'll just give it a chance to refocus, and we can also zoom in and out. We're a little bit too close there. I was struggling to focus. There we go. So we can zoom in on some of the writing there. We can also, if I zoom out a wee bit just to get the whole screen in and let it focus, and then I can do the color schemes if I want, again same as the near magnification, and I can also take a picture, so I can save a photo and then I can go into my dates. I have lots of photos, and I can have a look at the pictures that I've taken today, and there is the picture of the whiteboard, which has pretty much got everything on it. If it was a whiteboard with handwriting on it, we could zoom in and out, but we couldn't read. But because this is text, I could also get it.
Mercury 13, low vision computer system.
Because it's print, I can get it to read the print.
The Mercury 13 is a lightweight, compact, Windows tablet-based system specifically designed for the visually impaired.
And I can pause it. I can then save my picture, and I can save the text off of this picture as well. And next we will go and see where these saved files are. But if I come back again, you can also do a split screen, just to show you on the one screen. You can do a split screen between the near magnification with your book and the distance magnification of a presentation or whiteboard.